Makan several times how Makan boys' attitude towards game norm airborne. And Kwame, let's not forget, once Alexa Samama Kwekwe, around 2008, you know, free Ash Gube joined the Kotoko. And if my memory serves me right, almost on 2 billion old currency around that time. 2 billion.
Sure.
2008. They converted the value of 2 billion to a never scan Beton in today's market. And the players in the league you send it at home. And not because Sebi Kwab, none of them fair play be enter. And I because no one and also HOBA. And because ne work ethic, Kwame Wojina Bomu. Now what the bandage ebon in Sasa Kwame. About Opemsuo.
Towards what said that to me Bobon to FAUM. No more no say Pejan and say my friend. And surprisingly or unsurprisingly, one of the last Kotoko player was the go king in Ghana. The last Kotoko
player did go king Ghana Premier League.
Player BNO. Another Nanka in Belle Ebejibaku.
And I are not finish him. After on 2008, echoed my Eric Cobne to Bequeen. The Bequeen J with 17 goals here. I remember 17 goals. The Bequeen J 2008-2009. And Alex Samans AJ with 16 goals. From that time, Kotko play Bia NJ. Once after 2008-2009, some of Fum Beji with 13 goals without the folk. Every while the team the last player J in Ghana Hanam Simraman Kona or J last season Kwame. No other player from Kotoko and a go king with team AJ. Not the foreign import of them bag the Ghana Premier League. The last of Mokwala in Bella Mkwame to Yakuba. Obieni Alex Samoa. Rachel was a player and they will be paying. I care about our league and Kotoko players at Kwame when in the Oka. And one of the thing among with Asamoah and then Elbeku as a Kwame. On my Moko team now in Chesao. Let Samoa a ball 2 seasons pay. But they left a mark on Kotoko team no. Anytime be a Kotoko team no strikers up by recent times on Kwame. One can no win ye Alex Asamoah Kwekwe dinere ain't seen chain. And in some now cannot in chair 7 periods away player. Men fan say onim the oka and nim and wedding ODT. Fabi boko to kum kwa for year juma.
Sure.
My time I say ye players some attitude towards Juma of A and Kwame is so bad. In the sense that football Kwame and I want to obey and football no so yangopo I don't because football I say I go to Kusian Kwame to that do na essay the almost and also and to call each and every juvenile team be or my Kwame we cannot club bray in a gum or me na da so somebody on bed the next Lali Muntari the next Asamoah Jan the next Mark ACN Kwame the next Anthony Anan the next Olele
and the day you know
the day you to me na da so what it means is that Kwame so come in na bet me aye ya Kwame Ghana Kawaii League Kenya baby mom embo but going up no about to put more talent pan Kwame born be embo because of one obiani baby ofiri to be on my Kwame in bopa but as all climb out the ladder no way or TV e be see because Kwame direct ethic na and the analysis some air cano it would see in the Kwame say players na baro so you don't go tournament be no ko near boy so say Bismarck Oba Bismarck found to form messages here ma wo Kwame na en one no near za recommend Kwame the boy recommend onim there AI players me hu omo na trimu de complete sense Kwame as it in afei adia na e man football journal to Kwame no wajai na to no Sam Kwame ene mape was or Kwame or talemase somodwe Omo much Kwame obia in the personal life obia no be Kwame football e ade bia ehia se ubehya wakono so e odne bebre ho to obi won ma Kwame onya na maye so wi obewe pa onya enwa alatade a e anwa akobere obedi pa be Kwame onim se adwuma na oye ne Kwame so wanye committed a emfa entime kai Patrice Evra also Ronaldo invited say omra na for party also omedidi also ko wala kwa Opemsuo ni wura besi wono
And a day ni.
We hear say young connect traders but bra.
Me ba some be di o.
Be players kwame. Omunya akwanya sa erade.
Me diama no.
Talkie. Almost the sectum sa.
Diama no wato no.
Untuba player be no says hey, ada wo call ai na sugar daddy ai contest ana. Etuwe sana mana kwame na ama ade na o so this one so eren emwa. Enti debia me kan say me kwame if you decide say o be bibia kwame stay committed and that's what will put you ahead of your peers because me kwame obi aye bio from ahomache be no num ne fa elpem say e be no du e bo anwumre stations be brina and sports kwame anwumre say nya kwa na sports obenya yenim oteke fe obenya end kwame omina mebo na adenti na oso obi betie Opemsuo
so they any unique
fantastic e was say man ade a oko other station ere onya and to a player kwame also making sure say you put in your best effort and the more now kwame put in the best effort no na put you ahead of your peers there are players who kwame with the talent come NBU but because their commitment into no obi we no open wasem where nas e wo player bi we need be say obi stro ofria no fen red o guys are player Larry Smiler on the Larry Smiler but no ni mogirigiri o but has ni bia open asem kwa brother when the commitment towards other folk and the being to be another no obo which say when you are somebody now is putting in the effort kwame what's the supporters in ebere be pija osoro and these two clubs actually kwame na one now bo now we home now we committed kwame na o kire say you want the club kwame omo enfo ensi form justice play and kwame body dia ma for entiase okay time justice play free media medical ba loan at Kotoko ne loan deal e ba na wie na
supporters ne call say
obo call no me kai no unveil the board members are on the ekoyi I've forgotten the place stadium hotel side unza no on you was the first player that came that arrived there
sure
obi an kan contract that end there ya break almost on kon no kuasia he wanted to meet the board members he wanted to be there because he said at that moment the supporters to be there and come there are some little things we have to be anyway but for help and when the day come I made the chance ask how could say no oye but and then your players no kwame one on the field of play you don't see it and other the field of play you don't see them on that scale men say kwame outside the field say onye louder me hame media say kwame be on the field chebutanti e buy and then kwame social media no kwame and e ka obi and me on the some Facebook no kwame but they should know how to manage it. Because football akoye a global game now.
But you see, the players now, if I were being make say one stingy, any aboro, and a yomo, because me a footballer. Ronaldo Munina so mo social media.
Yeah, mo.
Bank of phone management.
Yeah.
So what I say, into you player A, oh, Madam Fonia Atakra. Atakra media guy. Okay, why don't I pay Atakra? Atakra mpesa manage me social media handles here dey. Mame, EBN my bobo my shego say for pictures ne to yi church on sem fa me ho mame. So me so ametua wo ka say. But Ghanaian players, they are not doing it.
Kwame
meaning Thomas Partey. Yene Thomas Partey.
Yeah.
Nipa managing the social media handle wa akra.
Yeah.
Ohwa na boy na kwa akodi UK kakra. On the Bibia.
Kwame, they all can.
But players, they are stingy.
Kwame is stingy. But yenim, because when they ask some they can tell they narrow into those two clubs. But also widen the scope to other players.
Yemfa European players in Tunche.
Locally. Also, widen the scope now to the other clubs from all Ghana Hanama. Won't say the other club won't say salary wise saying any how is it here? If you're quiet, the thought I say be a way exchange, you be a scan there, any for them to employ.
But for Kotoko has.
Yeah, it doesn't make us like you're not only to the two of them, yes, because I'm not 8 and yes, about say I don't know who says the Kwame. Obienu and salary as soon especially in this country.
But so salary no, and so deal. But Emma now okay. We are bar. Me we could yam school fees. We are bar. Me kwe say me go to bibi. If you are target be pass. Adi hiano. Oboye de ya salary ne bibi.
Yeah, kwa be kombe. O say ye mamu ano. Toda a players we shall cut corner folk. Ebia atakra. The responsibility na me dey enyepe.
Sure.
Te ebia kwa wo say bia me je pa. Be so mbeso no. Me offer asibi. Me na me hwe no. Ebia me na bi me na ma bi mpeso bi. Te ba na ebia so me ebe so no koda America. What they make an answer? And until they go outside, they told them salary to my mom come to that. They make if on the social media and porno. Sabi, all this they can. So if not all the time, come find time to balance between the two. Because there's no problem. Rather we number a Facebook Live, Instagram, so that one there's no problem. They make that the time that they spend over the enemy problem. And we tell someone so don't care about inculcating the players of local indigents. I'm free. I can't tell you no. Into the team Kwame. When you are there, maka or different platforms. So the bounce maka Kwame. Of Opemsuo. No idea. They don't know them. Say Opemsuo Madiba Stadium Kwame. There are a lot of avenues that you can pass. Bako say form diamere at the amount. And okay, tell me they ever cheba for about which ebayon. Omo ya den mani je won pa
videos no
mo ko pio mo kom vanyo pab no no omo making sure say he will get in touch with the base bibi o free no bere nti no no man for makoma buy name kotoko then woye or repair the base for them to get to know the Kwame for back to the kotoko ti da sabo this kotoko every game Sunday Wednesday we go there bia brother bia o the fear where omda stadium emre team no. The more no ban ABA on the attacker by net the base of account. Net big means cut numbers may increase all the stadium. And you come by a game of Kwame. You have no idea number of people almost for you come meeting. Because they seem to be one of their own.
But I mean, who's all can be say. Here is the case. You do come for the bar. I want to me more.
Kwame, come for your bar, couldn't mean your son. Open a chanter players are Kwame. And they league na I think it's league. Call almost each and every club in this country, Kwame. You find Madiba Bray and they be any gold stars. Ronald Frimpong. We are both crony.
And it's up Pierre McCarthy.
You go to the clubs and your April League and check. Most of them players of free house come Mozongo Boko Ababo Tafoka free. And Kwame from as I say away. And I mention to stadium come Obet man ante kware ako over you come to stadium come yaka wunya mo go kwame lorry first and look for cities me there are a lot of mo go players are omaba ebo game again kotokwa man for the bus be two of mo go akọ players no Musa nu and they obesi kind of Black Stars or Sengalen ewo fence Switzerland no oni say no game offer eba no game ewo hanama na bongo boys no big bus eba instead eba
he crowd Aboaso Sana Sedu Diana Stars player no oba ombe ball nations omo high bus from Aboaso e de koy na no yom ne koroko boy ye akoroko se omo high bus from Aboaso ye ne bana kakraka e de ba
don't prefer akatu
na this Hamza the Okwabuchi no Aboaso Messi no what to omni koroko bo no omo high bus but unfortunately now we pra it went me amobo ni bi
the one point down about NFL Agatuk or Legosities I'm going allegation Agatuk any Kodoko any Benab Ebo Kai FA Cup maybe that time no about loan and no about and because Benab run and manager Kwame that day he took defenders to school or Legosities is one of their top strikers team all the team of former and my players it's very good Obo game at the Kodoko they come in their numbers. And if I look Kwame, who are ABA, Menkale Somi no gumi kokotko enya Bilbao. How it's only bus policy.
Okay.
But Kwame, when you have players of free Asante region, no minimum or other club Kwame go in tab and bring them into the team. So you get 1, 2, 3 ABA. So make us 1, 4 will come, Ababo will come, Amokom will come, Asqua will come. Kwame unya best hanam eba. Stadium for 40,000 Kwame be no more problem 1 and better 1,500. Now they can abeya or more phone answering. Abba. Every day you could see said the numbers will be what increasing. They do mad day Kwame. Nipana Mukwa League, most of them are not interested in the league. And there's no pulling factor in each and every team Biano. You have a push and then what pull factors. They never chum the stadium no. Sanaman anywhere come and come say buy the league in the engine one. Nini be adding. Our park in Asia kind. Or so call no money you know so better betanachi. The Saturday now me Alessandro air can call me they say on air can A be away Madiba as a training worker and A be a wound instead of hold water. But Kwame, this is somebody that was in the water. One of the finest strikers that we've seen in the last 20 years in the Ghana Premier League. All Bono, he saw and he knew what he's talking about. And Kwame said, "Session didn't sign them now, but because we across all the league now, Kwame Eye, Ablom, Abba, Sambo, no foreign players, no, or buy a boy. But I thought that how I'm work with most of the recruitment, say, I thought I would say the play before Bontiaba. No more come well league no free no Kwame. Who compare a be at par and the one Ebruno so.
Okay.
Near man Dallas, Kwame, you go far. Eh, I didn't get any buy. I beg him, buy. And okay, Danny Zabota guy. Okay. And I don't know.
Me referee coach no.
They just said this America.
Okay.
No striker. Kotoko Africa. Danny Zabota guy. Other great yes. Also buy. Kotoko Eko Edis Gakwe. I sell a VA Mohammed. I mean, now go to team Eko. I sell a VA. Now fe. That's my making. Now one more na fe. Then no other Ghanaian. I want more stadium China. Oh. Me come do there but me just say born no money ye. But midfield never Ghanaian lucky. So if say a Branton your company Canadian ever ya Kwame, let's go in for them because even for the school and say Bema no ba cut off point pa. The four ba Ejabema. And then Kwame because say you are hip say and what my responsibility member enyepe if e will feel. So I don't know Ebian person a proper fee, no charge I abba school, no have point be Adriane. Now Bema will hit TV and that's what we charge Kwame. So for me, I believe sir, you making sure that will be part of the criteria. So I say the Black Stars, you know, you pay a quota about the local players, you know. Kwame, you for the same thing about 20 other folk, no. Has of so and cry for no baby. To be a league here, where I'm say, Umutu service as bonus of Banchi, support this, you know, Emma.
Mate.